Uve Beauty sent me this beauty blender and I absolutely love this thing. So this one pretty much use as any other beauty blender. You use it wet or dry and you squeeze out the excess water that you have in there if you are going to use it wet. And it is up to 99% bacteria free because it has a hole on the inside, so it dries out faster and you don't end up with any stagnant water on the inside even after wringing it out, because sometimes it can hold more moisture than you would like in between uses. So it has a cloud-like touch with a glowing finish, superior coverage and blend, and the hold center for optimal cleanliness. This is plant-based vegan material at 48%, and biodegradable at up to 58% in 45 days. So even the box feels like really nice, which I really like. And it says it is infused with a natural mix of antimicrobial agents. And then here's the front of the box. It's like this texture material, it just feels so nice as well. And then for carrying, it says gently wash with warm water and mild soap and placed in an open area for faster drying. So I usually like to just stick it on the top of one of my brushes for a little bit and then put it upside down because I feel like it dries a little faster that way. Yeah, this thing is great. I love it and it feels really, really nice.